Alright folks, 328i. This is the exhaust actuator motor spring clip. The installation is on. It just really pops in there. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Let's go underneath. That is what it looks like. Oh, let me get in there. There it is. Alright, that's it. One side clips onto the motor, one side clips onto the flap. Goes in those two little slots. That's all it is. Alright. Not too bad of an installation. You don't really get too dirty. Just watch your eyes, wear some goggles. Alright, that's it. So when the motor turns on, it'll flap it and it'll make this little butterfly and this exhaust pipe open up. So right now it's closed. It's in the single exhaust pipe mode, which is this one here. Okay, let's go outside. Let's see if we can look inside. Oh, mamma mia. I'm trying to get out from underneath. All right, let's see. Let's take a peek in there. All right, so right now it is in the closed position, so it's a single exhaust. All right, so the assumption is when you go on a highway and you step on it, it is going to open up. That flapper is going to open, and then you're going to have technically the dual exhaust, a little louder, a little more power. All right, that's the idea, or that's the theory. Okay, thanks for watching. Ciao.